Hello students, in today's video lecture you will see how to approximate or how to estimate the values of some quantities using the concept of derivatives. This is very interesting topic. Let us understand this topic from your book. Here it is given that we will use differentials to approximate values of certain quantities. Here it is a diagram. The curve looks like this. This is any point P xy on the curve, and this is the tangent to the curve. You all know that what is tangent at point P xy? It is derivative, right? It is dy by dx. So let us introduce our function f, whose domain is D and codomain is R, and the domain is the subset of R. Be a given function, and let y equal to f of x is a given curve. Let delta x denote the small increment in x. This means when we study the change in the x-axis, that is the change is delta x. This is the change. This is actually very small change. Here it is described a bigger view, but it is actually very small increment in x. We know that the increment in y corresponding to the increment in x denoted by delta y. When we change the values of x, we will automatically get the change in the y-axis as well. So let us introduce the term delta y, which is change in the y-axis, that is increment in delta y. It is given by f of x plus delta x minus f of x. First replace x with x plus delta x, then subtract the value of f of x from that value. Then we define the following two conditions. The first condition is the differential of x denoted by dx is defined by dx equal to delta x. This means the change is very small, so we can take thus instantaneous change delta x is equal to dx. The differential of y denoted by dy is given by derivative f dash x, or you can also say that dy is equal to dy by dx into dx. Two curves intersect at right angles if the tangents to the curve at the point of intersection are perpendicular to each other. We all know that any two curves are perpendicular only when the tangent at any point to both the curves are also perpendicular. Question number 1, first part, that is use differential to approximate the value of 25.3 under root. I need to find the approximate value of under root 25.3. Let us start solving the question. First, let y is equal to under root x. First let y equal to root comes from this root. If here it is 1 by 3, then I will take y equal to x power 1 by 3, right? So this idea will came from the question y equal to under root x, where x will be taken as the something like exact value nearest to this value. You all know that under root 25 is 5. So you can guess that the value of this expression is approximate equal to 5 point something, right? So you get the idea of 5 from the exact value, that is from the perfect square, right? You all know that under root 25 is 5. So you will take x is equal to 25, because this 25 will get you the idea of the approximation value of this expression. Clear? Now what is dx? Dx is the change. Dx or delta x are same, and it is the change from the value of this x and from the given value. Here the change is about 0.3. So that when you add x plus delta x, you always get this value 25.3. If I need to subtract the value, if it is 24.9, then I will take minus 0.1, because here it is always positive, but you can take the value of dx or delta x as negative. Then what is delta y? What is delta y? It is under root 25.3 minus under root 25, because from the article you know that what is delta y? It is under root x plus delta x minus under root x. Now what is the value of under root 25? It is 5, right? So ultimately you need to find this. So you take this term into the left hand side, and here it will be negative minus 5 minus delta y. So you can cancel the negative from both sides. You will get 5 plus delta y. This is my equation number 1. Let us suppose this is my equation number 1. Now what you need to do? Let us suppose that delta y is approximately equal to dy. Let us suppose that very small change in y is approximate equal to the change in y. ठीक है, dy is equal to dy over dx into dx. Now what is y? Y is under root x, means x power 1 by 2. What is dy by dx? You will use power rule here. 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. So it is 1 over 2 root x. So I can put the value of dy by dx from here. So it is 1 by 2 root x. And what is dx? Dx is equal to 0.3. So ultimately you will get 1 over 2 under root x, and the value of x is 25 into 0.3. So it is 0.3 2 multiply 5. So it is 0.3 over 10. So it is 0.03. Put the value of dy in the equation 1, because you have supposed that delta y is approximately equal to dy. So put this value in equation 1. You will get 25.3 under root is equal to 5 plus dy, which is 0.03. So your answer is equal to 5.03. This is my answer. This is the way how to approximate the values of some quantities using the concept of derivatives. Let us do one more question so that you can easily grasp the concept and try more questions from the exercise by yourself. Let us do question number 9th from the first question, 9th part from the first question. Question is, use differentials to approximate fourth root of 82. I need to find the fourth root, so I need to find 1 over 4 value of 84. This is my question. How to do this question? Exactly the same method as we have done in the previous question. Let us suppose y is equal to x power 1 by 4. Now you need to approximate the value. You all know that when we multiply 3 into 4 times, you get 81, and 81 is very close to 82, and it is 3 power 4. So I can say that 81 power 1 by 4 is equal to 3. So 82 power 1 by 4 is approximately equal to 3 point something, right? So here you can easily guess what is your x. X is 81. So what is the change? What is dx? What is the change in 82 and 81? The change is 1. Change is 1. So you can say that dx is equal to 1, because x plus dx must be equal to this value, which is 82, right? Now I need to find delta y. What is delta y? Delta y is the change, that is 82 power 1 by 4 minus 81 power 1 by 4. 82 power 1 by 4, I am using the same concept as I have done in this question, right? and this value is equal to 3 as I have told you here. So ultimately I need to find this, so I'll take this term into the left hand side. So it is negative, negative, again cancel out the negative part, you will get this value as 3 plus delta y, and suppose this is your equation number 1. Now delta y is approximately equal to dy, because you are approximating the value, you are not finding the exact value, you are approximating the value, so you can estimate by using your own approximation. So this is also an approximation, that delta y is equal to the dy and delta x is equal to dx, right? So what is dy? Dy is dy by dx into delta x or dx, because both are same. Here y is equal to x power 1 by 4. What is dy by dx? It is 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 minus 1, 1 by 4 x power minus 3 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 x power 3 by 4. So I can here 3 by 4 and into dx. Put the value of x and dx. What is x? It is 81, 3 by 4. When what is dx? It is 1. So 1 over 4 into 3 power 4 into 3 by 4. 4 cancel out with 4. 1 over 4 into 3 power 3. What is 3 power 3? It is 27. And 1 over 4 into 27 is 108. Now you can divide 108. You can divide 1 by 108. 0.0, again 0. Now 108 into 972, 972. So here it is 0.009. Put this value in equation number 1. You will get 82 power 1 by 4 is equal to 3 plus delta y, which is 0.009. So the answer is 3.009. This is my answer. This is the way how to approximate the values using the concept of derivative. I hope it is very easy. You will find it very easy and convenient, and you can try your questions. If you find any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment section, as well as you can ask your doubt in the WhatsApp group. I hope you will try all the questions, all the parts from the first question. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.